Have you ever tried to show clear availability messages on your trip dates, like guaranteed or available, but weren't sure how to control them properly? You're not alone. It can get a little confusing if you don't know exactly where to start. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set different availability labels and even create your own custom labels using the WP Travel Engine plugin. By the end, you'll have a much clearer way to communicate availability to your customers. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Before we dive in, just make sure you have the Trip Fixed Starting Dates add-on installed and activated. Without it, you won't be able to see or use the fixed departure features. You also need to turn on the Display Availability Label option inside Settings, so your availability status shows clearly on the trip dates. Once everything's ready, head over to the Trips menu on the left and open the trip where you want to manage availability labels. Inside the trip editor, go to Date and Price. Make sure the Fixed Departure Dates feature is turned on, since availability labels only work with fixed departures in the Pro version. For this example, I already have two packages, Budget and Standard, but I'm going to add a new one called Premium Package. Click on Add New Package, name it, and importantly, set the price right away. With the package set up, click on Dates to add a new departure date. Choose your start and end dates for the trip. If this trip runs regularly, you can enable the repeat option. For instance, I'll choose monthly and set it to repeat from August to October, continuing every month until next year. Next, enter the number of available seats. Right below, you'll see an availability label dropdown. I'll select Limited to give customers a clear signal that seats are filling up fast and they should act quickly. Don't forget to click Save. Let's take a look at how this looks on the front end. Scroll down to the Available Trip Dates section. Here, you'll see the Premium Package departures for August, September, and October, all tagged with the Limited label. It makes the trip page clear, professional, and helpful for travelers trying to decide. Now, let's spice things up a bit, and let's add a new availability label. Back in your dashboard, open the WP Travel Engine menu and go to Settings. Within Settings, find Extensions and select Fixed Starting Dates from the dropdown. More options will appear. Click on the availability label at the top. Here, you can tweak the colors of the default labels like Available, Guaranteed, or Limited to fit your brand's look. To create a new label, click Add More Labels. Let's name this one Small Group Limited. Using the color picker, I'll choose a bright red, something bold so it stands out clearly. Then save the new label. Now, let us display the Small Group Limited label on the tour. Go back to the same trip and create a small group package by following the same process as before. Set the price first, then add a new departure date. Now, when you open the availability label dropdown, you will see the newly created Small Group Limited label in the list. Select it, save the date. Finally, preview the trip on the front end. Scroll to the Available Trip Dates section, and you will see the Small Group Limited label displayed with the custom color you selected. And there you have it! Now you know how to create and assign different availability labels, customize their colors, and even add your very own labels to departure dates in WP Travel Engine. This little extra step makes managing bookings smoother and helps your customers make informed decisions before they book. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more handy WP Travel Engine tips and tricks.